The keys clacked on their own. I stared frozen as the old typewriter spat out my secrets in crisp black ink. Liar. Thief. I never told anyone, not even whispered to myself. Yet the confessions poured out, detail after damning detail, the words growing more vicious, more personal. My hands trembled as I tried to rip the page free. It wouldn't tear. I glanced at the window. My reflection was gone. Instead, ink pooled in the glass, spelling my name. The typewriter continued, relentless. My crimes, my shame, all exposed. With every word, my voice faded. Now, the typewriter writes alone.